I'm Mike Sargent. This is Sargent Service Center. We're at 3230 US 1 South in St. Augustine, Florida. We first opened the business in 1987 with one of the technicians been with me for that long, and then the other one's just a couple years later, so we got a good solid family of technicians and support. Mainly we do is automotive repair, maintenance and repair. We kind of specialize a lot in computers and electronic controls, but we do everything from tires to whatever needs to be done. Visit us at facebook.com/Sargent Service Center, sargentservicecenter.com, or 904-794-0827.